Hey everyone, in this video we cover current affairs as on 10th and 11th December of 2021 from Nanmaya Education. Very first news we see is Ministry of Power kickstarts celebration of Energy Conservation Week from December 8th till 14th. This is celebrated by Energy Conservation Week from 8th to 14th 2021 from Azatika Amrit Mahotsav. Celebration by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency will include the three major activities like National Painting Competition for School Children, National Painting Competition for School Children, and next one was Awards for Industries, and next one is NEEIA, National Energy Efficiency Innovation Award. It is for innovative award to recognize innovative energy effective technology. The next news we see is DRDO test fired air version of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. India successfully test fired the air version of BrahMos supersonic cruise missile from the integrated test range of Chandipur off the coast of Odisha. The air version of the missile was test fired from supersonic fighter aircraft Sukhoi 30 Mk1. BrahMos is a joint venture between DRDO India and NPO from Masinostrenia, that is from Russia, for development, production and marketing for the supersonic cruise missile, which has been inducted into the Indian Armed Forces. The missile derives its name from the rivers of Brahmaputra in India and Moskova in Russia. Headquarters is located in New Delhi, and it is established in 1958. Chairman of DRDO is Satish Reddy. Dr. G. Satish Reddy is the chairman. The next news we see is Indian origin Anil Menon is SpaceX first flight surgeon. NASA turned SpaceX flight surgeon Anil Menon is among the 10 latest trainee astronauts who will join the 2021 class of the American Space Agency, as its plans for first human mission to the moon is more than 50 years. He is born to Indian and Ukrainian parents and raised in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Menon in Lieutenant Colonel in the U.S. Air Force. He was SpaceX fighter first flight surgeon, helping to launch the company's first human to space during NASA's SpaceX Demo 2 mission and building a medical organization to support the human system during the future mission. The next news we see is Sankeet Mahadev Sargar won a gold in Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship at 2021. Sankeet Mahadev Sargar won the gold medal in men's 55 kg snatch category at the ongoing Commonwealth Weightlifting Championships 2021. He created the national record by lifting 130 kg of men's 55 kg snatch category. Sargar has also qualified for the upcoming 2022 Commonwealth Games in Birmingham. Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship 2021 is being held in Tashkent along with the World Weightlifting Championship 2021 from December 7 to 17. The Indian contingent is participating in the weightlifting championships as well as the Commonwealth Senior Championship. This competition, that is a championship, is held between December 7 till December 17, 2021. The next news we see is Human Rights Day. This day, 10th December 2021, is celebrated as a Human Rights Day across the world. This day came to an extension in 1948 when the Universal Declarations of Human Rights was adopted by the Union Nation. This day is observed every year across the world as it empowers all. The day acknowledges the advocates and defenders of human rights around the world. The theme of the day in 2021 is Equality, Reducing Inequality, Advancing Human Rights. This year, Human Rights Day theme relates equality in Article 1 of the UDHR. All human beings are born free and equal in dignity in rights. The next news we see is Ken Betwa River interlinking project approved by cabinet. Ken Betwa interlinking of river project has been approved by the Union Cabinet, which is chaired by Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. At 2021 price levels over cost of Ken Betwa link project has been estimated for rupees 44 crore. The Union Cabinet approved the central government support for the project. The project will be implemented through a special purpose vehicle, that is SPV, known as Ken Betwa Link Project Authority, that is KBLPA. This project includes the construction of Dauhan Dam across river Betwa from Ken and transfer of water through a canal connecting to the two rivers. Lower our project Kota Barrage in Bina Complex Multipurpose Project. The next news we see is General Bipin Rawat cremation activity. General Bipin Rawat and his wife Madhulika Rawat was cremated with the full military honors at Delhi Brar Square Crematorium on Friday evening. The cremation was performed by their daughters Kritika and Tarini. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, NSA Ajit Doval and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi were among the many leaders who paid their last respect of Chief of Defence Staff CDS General Bipin Rawat and his wife Madhulika Rawat at their residence in New Delhi on Friday. Apart from General Rawat and his wife, his defence advisor Brigadier Lakbinder Singh Lidder, Staff Officer Lieutenant Colonel Harinjendra Singh and other 9 armed forces personnel also died in the crash.